guys, it's Amy and Chris with Foundation Property Management and TurnkeyInvest. Today we're in East Memphis at this beautiful home that we've purchased, and we're planning to do a big full renovation on, and we thought it would be fun to take you along with us. So this is the first in a series of videos where we'll come back while the work is going on, and then we'll come back when it's finished so that you can see the finished product. Chris, tell us a little bit about what you're going to do on the exterior.
So first off, what we're going to do is get rid of these bushes. These bushes they're just blocking the home. We can't see this beautiful home we have here. We're going to get rid of these bushes. We're going to update the roof to an architectural roof. Not going to leak for the next 30 years. The brick, we're going to change the color. It's going to be bright white. It's going to be a nice, bright home on the outside. That old door right there, we're taking it out. We're going to put a nice 8-panel glass exterior door. It's going to make it look like a nice home.
All right, and as we come inside, you'll notice that this is a great big long room. And one of the biggest problems with this house was that it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. At one time, there was a renovation that gave us an extra bedroom, which is unusual in this area, but it still only left 2 bedrooms. And so, because this room is so large, we're gonna be adding a 3rd bedroom right here.
When you come into the home, we're going to create a new entry area that separates the new bedroom from the rest of the dining room. So we're going to do a pass-through doorway here. That way we can go straight into the living room. And then from there, you can see it's going to open up for a 3-bedroom. And over here, we're going to do new tile. It's going to be bright white tile. Same thing in the kitchen. We're going to turn it into just a bigger open kitchen. Here you can see what they did in the old time. I guess they didn't pay attention to how it's centered in the kitchen, so the sink is a little bit off. So we're going to rearrange everything and make this a lot more open. We're going to get rid of this old bar top. We're going to create a pass-through window here. That way you have a bar top to where people can sit and eat. So here, as you can see, it has a 19, what I'm going to say 50s, 30s, between 30s and 60s range that we're going to get rid of. We're going to have all updated stainless steel appliances. As you can see, in the old days, they had the washer and dryer in the kitchen. So we're going to change that. We're going to open this up to work, and we're going to move all the plumbing, and we're going to put it all out there so it's separate. We're not living in the 1950s anymore. We're in the 2020s.
The dishwasher will be relocated to where the washer dryer is. We're going to add uppers and lowers in the kitchen to make all of this match and move the sink to center with the window. We'll get new countertops, and
yeah, we'll have all updated countertops, Dallas white granite. All this will be updated.
the old original hardwood floors we're going to screen and poly, and they'll be beautiful. We're going to replace this with a bright white tile just to brighten the room up. And we're also going to replace this back door with something a little more modern. We'll paint the bricks in the fireplace. We're going to remove this old window unit air conditioning. We'll sheetrock over it. You'll never know that it was there. So
we're also adding a pass-through doorway that actually comes in from the entry area, so you can get straight into the living room and walk in your new home. And then we're doing updated flooring here. I believe Amy mentioned that earlier, but it's going to be bright white, something that makes the home brighter.
This home has these beautiful hardwood floors in all of the bedrooms. And so what we're going to do is just clean and screen and poly these. We're going to repaint all of the walls and trim so these rooms are a lot brighter. This bathroom will be getting a full renovation. We're going to replace all of this old dated tile with a bright white tile. We're going to replace this old bathtub, and it'll be a completely different room. Going over into the primary bedroom, we're going to keep these pretty hardwood floors again. And the other side of the room was a later addition, so it's a little bit different. Chris, you want to tell us a little bit about what you're doing there?
Yes, so the flooring, we're actually going to keep the same tile we're putting in the living room and the kitchen to have an updated flooring plan too. You see how big the bedroom is. We're not changing that. We're keeping this awesome big bedroom. You can see in the bathroom, previous owner, they updated it when they added this addition later. So you can see we're going to keep the same plan, nice walk-in shower. Awesome walk-in shower, keeping the updated vanity. We'll be painting these bright white, and it's going to be a bright home. So something that came great with this home when it was built was this awesome classic fan. We're actually going to keep it, so it's something that you actually feel come with the home. That came with the home. You can see it still works. To me, that's the best part about this home.